Hello YouTube family, welcome to Made in Hub channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the most 6 dangerous poisonous snakes in India, and there are so many questions in your mind regarding the venom snake. I want you to know that your most top questions will be solved or answer will be here in this video, like what happen in your body when the snake bite, how dangerous they are, can we survive after bite, why the king cobra called king. Your every question's answer will be available in this video. So before watching video, subscribe, like, share and press bell icon to get a new video notification. So let's begin. So, the dense and dark forest of India offers the best habitat for the reptiles, and jungles offer a wide range of area for the snakes to go giant with abundant prey. There are 217 plus species of a snake in India, out of which 60 are highly venomous. Every year, 20,000 people die due to a venomous snake bite in India. So let's see a 6 dangerous snake in India. The first, Indian cobra. The Indian cobra, known as a nag. A nag is one of a species of a highly venomous snake found throughout India. Indian cobra are found in many habitats but generally prefers open forest edges, fields and area around villages. Indian cobra or nag feeds on rodents, lizards and frogs. Indian cobra is a holy snake associated with the lingam, the emblem of Lord Shiva, and during the Naga Panchami festival the people worship the cobra snake like any other god. The second, Indian krait, also called as common krait. Untreated common krait bite has a mortality rate of 70 to 80%, and death can occur as little as 4 to 5 hours after a bite. These nocturnal snakes are active at night and are seldom encountered by humans during the day. So, most bite incidents occurs at night. What happened after krait bite? So, here the common krait bite causes muscular paralysis due to venom disrupting the communication between the muscles and nerves. It is the one of the deadliest snake of the world. The next snake is Ruzella viper. How dangerous Ruzella viper? Ruzella viper is one of the most dangerous snake found in Asia. A southern state of Tamil Nadu, India is estimated to have at least 10,000 deaths each year, and it is just one of many states in India greatly affected by a snake bite. So how do you identify Ruzella viper? Ruzella's viper head is a distinct form, the neck with a long, flattened and triangular shape and a large, conspicuous nostril on each side of the snout. So, can you survive after viper bite? Here, only a fraction of those bites are fatal, but toxins in the snake venom can trigger serious medical emergencies that occurs within hours. They can cause organ failure, uncontrollable bleeding, severe tissue obstruction and the paralysis that may restrict a breathing. Now the next snake is a saw-scaled viper. Saw-scaled viper lack of DNA, which is probably good thing on a balance, but if the venom did have DNA activity, systematic toxin along with the tissue degrading enzymes would damage the vital organs in no time, and the victim chance of survival would have been feeble. The next snake is the king cobra. Why king cobra is called king? King cobras are impressively venomous, large snakes native to Asia. They are called king cobras because they can kill and eat cobras. Did you survive after a bite of king cobra? Here, immediate medical treatment is essential to enhance survival from the king cobra snake bite. It is said that death can come to a person bitten by a king cobra within 30 minutes, depending upon the amount of venom delivered during the envenomation. How long it does for king cobra to kill a human? How long does it take to kill a human? So a king cobra bite can kill a human in 50 minutes and a full grown elephant in a few hours. What makes here a cobra's king is not just their size or deadliness. After all, they don't eat elephants. It is that they eat other snake, even deadly snake like a crate and other cobras. That's why the king cobra is called the king. The next snake is Indian green pit viper or bamboo viper. The vipers are found in India. To average, the Persian vipers are synonymous with the venom. After all, the two vipers, the Rosella and the saw-scaled, are listed among the 4 most dangerous snakes in India. So about 32 species of viper are found in India, with around 5 seen almost exclusively in southern India. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe Made in Hub channel and press on the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching.